What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. It's absolutely exploding with many of the other coins. Currently, we're sitting at $1.78. We're up almost 14% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 57.17 billion. 24-hour volume is all the way up to 4.77 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app through my referral. Receive $25 in crypto in Crow for free just for signing up. Wow, guys, so we're seeing ADA smash through the 1.272 at $1.64, smash through the 1.414 at $1.74 to $1.73, and your next price target is up here at $1.87. You can see here that is our level of resistance from our ascending triangle. Absolutely massive level, but we're extremely overextended, guys. Look at the RSI, as I've been saying with Matic. Absolutely extremely overextended. Even on the 4-hour chart, we have not been that overextended since back in February, guys. Absolutely. So months and months ago since we've been overextended. So we will correct, guys. It will come. Don't be hesitant to take some profits. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. But I have locked in some profits for ADA. I had a 4x leverage trade and I made some juicy gains, and I locked it in because I think some sell-off is imminent here. Now that doesn't mean we won't see like just a little bit of sell-off before pushing all the way up to $1.87. That is a possibility, guys, but there is a high probability that you'll see a sell-off and it will be swift. As you can see here, you had a pump and then you sold off swiftly. You'll see that time and time again, and that may happen. So do keep an eye on that, guys. If we pop over to ADA on the daily here, you can see how extremely overbought we are on the RSI on the daily, which is indicating that we're soon going to see some sell-off. We did break that level here, but we haven't come much higher than that over the last 6 months or so. So we will see some sell-off soon. We may get all the way up to $1.87, would absolutely be mind-blowing, but I think the correction could be swift and it could be steep. All right, guys, so I've dropped in our levels of support here at $1.64, also back at $1.48. If I show it to you here on the 4-hour chart, you can see $1.48 is a major level of support here, swing high, all the support in this area as well. So if we were to lose $1.64, do target $1.48, and then we have $1.36. But if we look at ADA on the weekly, I'm actually going to pull it up on a fresh chart here. Let's try Bybit. This is absolutely garbage. Let's try Kraken. Nope, sorry guys, just a little bit of patience. Hope you're well, hope the pets are healthy, hope that you're doing absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, so if we look here on KuCoin, you can see that ADA is quite broken away from the 20 EMA on the weekly chart. You can see we're starting to just completely break away here from the 20 EMA. So I do believe a correction is due. You can see the gap in between the 55 and the 20 is becoming wider, and the wider it becomes, the harder the correction. All right, guys, so we do want to see some consolidation here. These pumps are absolutely beautiful, super exciting. I'm always stoked when these happen, but I always do make sure to lock in some profits. Even if we were to go to $1.88, I'm cool with locking in some profits, because I know, because there's always the chance where you're going to sell off, and literally within 30 minutes, within 15 minutes, within an hour, you've dropped all the way back down to support levels of $1.64, $1.48. All right, guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update to give you guys your levels of support. A correction will come, guys, and it may come swiftly, so please keep an eye on that. But beautiful to just see an absolutely juicy pump here. Your next target is up here at $1.88. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. We have broken out of our falling wedge, and your target is up here at $1.90. So if you entered that trade, you're currently in profits of 45%. Absolutely incredible, guys. So that's it for ADA. I can give you some future price targets actually, based off the Fibonacci here. Go from our swing high down to our swing low here, and your future price targets, I'll give you the 1.272 at about $3.19, and the 1.618 for ADA is up at $4.38. And from the current price, that's an appreciation of juicy 142%. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Smash that like button if you got some value. Follow me on social. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.